the instructions were easy to understand, and it was very specific. Even upon writing the essays, it was well guided. Like I could tell, this is what I'm expected to answer. There was no confusion. Yeah, it was quite a good scholarship in terms of even essay writing, and I'm very grateful to the university for that. Experts in the field makes me proud to be here and to be taught and study from experts. I also appreciate the various setups where we get to do real world projects. Something that I'm proud of, because we are able to do real world projects in AI, machine learning, do video games, something I have not done in the past, but I've really caught up well with it within like 2 months. So yeah, that is something I'm so happy with about the institution. Nature walks, where you can have nature walks across the cities. Even the university park is all green, and the lake that is beside there. That I have not done often, the university park, because I'm in Jubilee campus. But even Jubilee campus, there is just outside the library, there is that the lake, and you get to see the duck. We've had a very supportive team in the careers and employability session. And still under student life, there's student life. And then I decided to lean more towards the careers and employability, just to grow my skills and know what I could be lacking and what would make me better in the market. And it's had various sessions and workshops, and one memorable one is when we had a talk with IBM, one of the industries, and they presented about making portfolios. And one commitment I made to myself is grow my portfolios by the end of the course, as the computer science course and the AI and machine learning is more of the technical. So I'll get to showcase my skills maybe in a portfolio, or just further my CV and just make it look good and explain who I am better to the tech field.